Stelicantos, dun dun, Elicanto, dun dun, Hey! Used to be in my turtle's cage. That's a turtle. Now, but here's my turtle. Whoa! And here's my dog. And he tried to attack a bird. A baby bird. So I put it into it. And I got us a little baby bird. Now, almost says it should have a bird disease. So I'm going to have to get rid of it. And get a baby cake. So this is basically kind of like a special video for the Gettys. They like rescuing birds. And I finally caught one. Look at you. Yeah, that just looks weird. Well, we got our handy dandy gloves, so yeah. Got our handy dandy glove on. Gotta take our birdie. I don't want a birdie. Bye. I just lit it out. And look! Oh, we have not been seeing that kind of bird around. Look at the little baby footage. And remember, I am from Indiana. Yeah! I don't care. No, you don't. You guys are seeing things upside down right now. I know. I have special effects. Let's look at that bird. Sally? Other way. Right way. Yeah. I like moving. That's really beautiful, actually. Actually, I'm gonna try picking it up, which is actually a kind of a struggle. Oh my God! The parents came. Oh my God! My God! Please like this video. Oh my God, that's so cute. I hope that little birdie survives. Get out of here, dragonfly. Okay, that was the cutest thing ever. Bye, guys.